Here we are, we're going to demonstrate how to fit some Union Jack rear lights into the Mini F55. So first of all we need to remove the chrome surround. The easiest way I've found is to remove it using some trim tools. So what we need to do is just literally just tease it off. So if we just work our way all the way around the edge, just releasing the clips, it should eventually pop off. There we are. So now we've got this off, let's get him out of the way. Next we need to remove the 3 fixing screws that hold the rear light in. So we've got one at the top, 2 at the bottom, and these are a T25 Torx. Next we need to just look in the rear and just unplug the loom. You'll just feel around and find it and just unplug it. So now we need to remove the rear light lens. Just give it a little tug and it should come out. Here's our new rear light. With this rear light set, there is 2 options for the indicators. As you can see, there is a green wire with a connector in the middle. This activates the dynamic indicators. To fit the new light, simply connect the plug assembly to the wiring loom on the car. Then place the light unit into position and reinstall the 3 Torx screws. Refit the plastic trim surround by pressing it firmly all around the edge. Refit this panel inside the boot. This rear light set is fully E-marked, road legal and MOT compliant. They are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired, so they plug directly into the loom on your vehicle, so there is no need to alter any wiring. The overall build quality on these lights is really good. These lights have a really nice finish to them. The kit includes 2 lights and some basic fitting instructions. The kit also includes built-in resistors. These rear lights are packed really well. This is to avoid any damage during transit. This is a really simple upgrade you can do at home. Please see the links below in the description if you would like to purchase these. This will direct you to our eBay store or our website.